Okay, so today I took no trades, which I'm not actually mad about. I've come out today feeling quite happy about that I took no trades today because I was really, really patient. And what I wanted the market to do, the market wasn't giving me, so I just didn't trade and I was patient, which over the past 3 weeks, I haven't been doing. I've just been entering. But obviously I've learned some stuff. So today I stopped my plan and my plan wasn't hitting, so I didn't trade. But I'll go over the market and how it moves and what I could have done differently. So this is market open at 9:30. We came into the market here. I had a bullish bias, but I also had a bearish bias depending if price went to where I wanted to hit. So on ES, we are still really far behind because we see this low here that has been swept now, but it didn't get swept because obviously we were here. That still hadn't been swept. On NQ, we were all the way down here. So, you can see how delayed ES is compared to NQ. And that's the reason I was bearish yesterday with this trade down here, because I was bearish on ES because we were so bearish, it had to catch up. And obviously we're in a downtrend. But today we came into the market with a bit of consolidation here. So I thought we've come into this area of demand. As you can see, price came here and went up, price came here and went up. Same on NQ, we came into an area of demand here, which obviously this whole thing is demand. So I saw that, and I also saw EQ. We also had a big move down and nothing got filled in. So I saw EQ up here. So I wanted to catch a bullish trade up to EQ or up to this fair value gap. But if price ran from market open up to here, then I would have been bearish. So I was kind of looking for bullish trades. I was looking for a liquidity sweep to take a trade up here. But if market just moved up here without me seeing an entry, I would have then switched to bearish. So I went on the 1 hour, and there was no sweeps or anything here. But we were respecting. Let me get rid of this. We were respecting this 1 hour fair value gap here really nicely. So we're respecting this. I then went on to the 15-minute and I saw a sweep here, which happened 6 a.m. this morning, New York time. So this was a London sweep. Price then came up in pre-market and swiped these lows, then dipped back down into this area, which then I'm not going to count that. Then came up and swiped these lows, which was London's highs, I think, because these would have been technically London highs. But yeah, we swept these highs, and I just wasn't confident that was a liquidity sweep, and I just wasn't overall confident on trading bearish today. So I was hoping price would come back down and maybe take some orders out and sweep and then go back up. I think NQ really did the same thing. NQ created equal highs up here actually. So it sweeps here, created equal highs. So I was hoping price would come down and basically sweep this out because they're equal highs, which it didn't, and I didn't see any trades. So even this bearish trade, like 5 minute, let's say we touched up here, we didn't hit this fair value gap, we rejected this fair value gap. So this was the only confirmation on the 5 minute to enter. Obviously on the 1 minute, did we have any entries? We had this, but like it just wasn't, that was pre-market. There wasn't really any entries on EQ for me to look bearish. ES, I didn't see anything either. Really, obviously, we swept, we broke structure, we had a 5 minute fair value up here. But because my bias just wasn't bearish, I just wasn't ready to trade bearish. Because for me, it was such a risky trade seeing all this room up here. But then again, ES is so delayed compared to NQ, so I guess it needed to come down. But the last couple of days, it's been, these two candles have proper come down into this area, which hopefully tomorrow it should touch into this fair value gap, and tomorrow it should be bullish, but obviously we'll see when market's happening. But yeah, I just didn't see any trades really for my bias. Even if I switched to bearish, which the only reason I would have switched to bearish is if it hit EQ, which it didn't. It only swept this liquidity, and let's say we didn't have all this room up here. Oh, yeah, and also because these were London highs, I think London starts at 2 a.m. I think, but these could have been London highs. But we also had this standout liquidity up here, which it just didn't sweep. And on Nasdaq, it created equal highs with that. So nothing was really just giving me bearish. And obviously I saw this big candle down, but today I didn't feel at all like FOMO or anything like that. I was really patient, which is good. I think I've learned something over the couple of weeks where I haven't been that good trading. Like this week, I've taken 2 trades this week. Both of them, I'll quickly go on it. Both of them were on the same day, yesterday. And I think they turned out pretty good. 1.4 and 1.3, so that was a pretty good day. It gave me my confidence back, but I've only had 1 trading day this week out of 4 days. Normally I'll be trading every day, so I am learning something. But yeah, I think today, my bias was just totally wrong. Like I said, if it did come up here, let's say it sweeps these highs, came up into EQ, then I would have been bearish. But only sweeping these highs, I just wasn't bearish enough really to do that, because there wasn't even any EQ for it to hit. Like we could have had EQ from those highs there, but it was an OTE, and I guess I could have counted that, but it just wasn't a trading day for me really. Like price action was really good, as you can see. It came up, swiped, came straight back down, but it just wasn't for me. I guess one thing also, we did break structure here, because obviously we can see high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, and then a lower low here, breaking structure, and then sweeping liquidity, and then obviously coming down, rejecting the fair value gap. But yeah, even on the 1 minute, there just wasn't any entries other than this, but you wouldn't trade that. That'd just be too risky to enter really. So yeah, if you caught a trade today, then fair play. I'm not really that mad about it. But yeah, overall, bad day trading wise, but good day for my mental psychology, and to be fair, my trading as well, because I've learned to be patient. I learned patience pays off. Like I'm up 3.5% this week, or just over 3% this week, which is more than enough. My goal is 5% a month. So yeah, more than happy with today. Tomorrow should be a trading day as well, I think. Tomorrow is just this news, so tomorrow I'll be trading as well. So we might catch a trade tomorrow. If not, see you Monday.